Most people think all crypto exchanges are the same, but the surprising truth is that the platform you choose can drastically affect your trading experience. Today, I'm sharing my honest experience with IDEX, a decentralized exchange that promises fast trading and advanced features. IDEX allows users to trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies directly from their wallets without giving up control of their private keys. Most people get this wrong by thinking decentralized exchanges are slower or harder to use. IDEX has built a hybrid model that combines the security of decentralized trading with the speed of centralized order matching. Getting started is straightforward. You connect your wallet, like MetaMask, and deposit tokens. The interface shows market charts, order books, and trading history in real time. You won't believe what happens next when you place your first trade. Orders execute quickly, often in seconds, without needing to deposit funds to a centralized account. One of the biggest advantages is security. Since you keep your private keys, the risk of hacks or lost funds is reduced compared to centralized exchanges. You can also trade lesser-known tokens that may not be available elsewhere. However, there are downsides. Network fees can fluctuate, especially on Ethereum, and liquidity can be lower for some tokens, causing price slippage. The surprising truth is that for active traders who prioritize security and token variety, IDEX can be a better choice than bigger centralized platforms. If you're looking for a decentralized, secure, and efficient crypto trading experience, IDEX is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews before you trade.